How to fix Reddit chat not working. So if you want to fix your Reddit chat not working, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Reddit application and make sure that you have logged into your account. Once the Reddit is open, click on the profile icon, which is on the top right. After clicking on, you'll find a page with many options. You need to just scroll down and then go with settings. When you click on it, here you need to scroll down. You'll see clear local history option. Under advanced, you need to go and clear your local history. It might be on your iOS devices, but if you don't find the local history on your Android device, then what you need to do is just go back. After that, tap and hold on to your Reddit, tap on the app info. From the app info, go with clear data, which is on the bottom right, and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Confirm. Once you've done this, your problem might be fixed. Or you can also just go and restart your device. Once you've restarted, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your App Store, go with search, or your Play Store, and then go with search and search for Reddit. Now here, if you have any updates, you need to go and update the application. Once you've updated, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix your Reddit chat not working. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.